sitting day. I call on Government Order of the Day number 3.
Insurance Prudential Supervision Amendment Bill, second reading.
The Honourable Judith Collins.
Mr Speaker, I move that the Insurance Prudential Supervision Amendment Bill be now read a second time. I want to begin by thanking the members of the Finance and Expenditure Committee for their prompt handling of this bill. The committee received 4 submissions and heard from 2 submitters. The amendment bill contains a small number of amendments to the Insurance Prudential Supervision Act 2010 and 1 consequential amendment to the Reserve Bank of New Zealand Act 1989. It aims to reduce or eliminate unnecessary compliance costs and address technical issues identified during provisional licensing to ensure a smooth transition to full licensing of insurers. As previously noted, the Reserve Bank has reviewed the operation of the Act during the transitional period towards full licensing that expires on the 7th of September 2013. While the Act has proved to be generally effective and robust, it is not unexpected that some provisions were identified as appropriate for reform. In particular, 2 provisions in the Act could expose insurers or the Reserve Bank to operational complications at the end of the transitional period. The amendment bill, as introduced, proposed to extend the term of the provisional licences of insurers that enter into an insolvency procedure before the 7th of September 2013. At this date, insurers that are subject to an insolvency procedure will not qualify for a full licence. The committee recommends that this clause be amended to allow for a provisional licence to remain in force where any of the following circumstances apply to an insurer. It is an insolvency proceeding, its application for a full licence has been refused, or it is subject to a direction from the Reserve Bank to cease entering new contracts of insurance. Under these circumstances, the provisional licence may remain in force until the Reserve Bank was satisfied that it should be cancelled. The second proposal relates to interim financial reporting requirements. The bill recommends that overseas insurers be permitted, on application to and approval by the Reserve Bank, to provide half-yearly financial reporting based on the home country regulatory reporting requirements. In addition, the committee recommends a change to the provision of interim financial information requirements to extend the period by which interim financial information must be reported to the Reserve Bank from 3 to 4 months. This would align with the timeframe for annual reporting recommended by the Commerce Committee in the Financial Reporting Bill. Mr Speaker, I commend this bill to the House.
The question is that the motion be agreed to.
Mr Speaker.
The Honourable David Parker.
Well, we've got a bit of